Welcome to our topic on solving system of linear equations by elimination. Let us have a fast review about inverse or opposite. Inverse or opposite of 1 is -1. We also call this additive inverse. So if we have 1, the additive inverse is -1. And if you combine them, the result is 0. Example, x minus y equals 3 and x plus y equals 5. Remember, we can only eliminate the terms if they are inverses. As you can see, x and x will give us 2x. Therefore, we cannot eliminate the x. Next, we have negative y plus y or negative 1y plus positive 1y. They are inverses. Therefore, we can eliminate the y. So we cancel it. The answer is 0. And then we solve. 2x is equal to 8. 8 is from 3 plus 5. Then we divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1x or x equals 4. So 4 is from 8 divided by 2. Next, we have to substitute the value of x to our x minus y equals 3. That will be 4 minus y equals 3. And then you have to subtract 4 from both sides. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the result is negative y equals -1. Divide both sides by -1. The result will be y equals 1. The solution is 4, 1. To see whether the solution 4, 1 is correct, let us have a checking. X minus y equals 3. We have to replace our x by 4 and our y by 1. That will be 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 minus 1 is 3, which is equal to 3. As you can see, they are equal. Let us use equation 2. X plus y equals 5. Again, we replace our x by 4 and our y by 1. That will be 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 1 is 5, which is equal to 5. As you can see, they are equal. The left and the right sides are equal. Therefore, our solution 4, 1 is correct. Next example, 2x plus y equals 8 and 2x plus 3y equals -16. As you can see, we do not have inverses here. 2x and 2x will be 4x and y plus 3y is 4y. But we can make inverses here by multiplying -1 to our first equation. The first equation will become -2x minus y equals -8. That is from -1 times 2x, -2x. -1 times positive y is -y. -1 times 8 is -8. And then you copy the second equation. 2x plus 3y equals -16. Now we have the inverses here, -2 and +2. We can cancel them. Then we solve. -y plus 3y will give us 2y, and then -8 and -16 will become -24. Then we divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so this will become 1y or y equals -12. So -12 is from negative divided by positive is negative. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Next, from 2x plus y equals 8, we can substitute the value of y. So it will become 2x plus -12 equals 8. Then we have 2x minus 12 equals 8. That is from positive times negative. That is negative. 2x minus 12 equals 8. The next step will be adding 12 from both sides. So you can cancel our 12, negative and positive 12. The result is 2x equals 20. So 20 is from 8 plus 12. Then divide both sides by 2. So this is 1x or x equals 10. So the value of x is 10. 10 is from 20 divided by 2. Therefore, the solution is 10, negative 12. Let us do the checking. For the first equation, 2x plus y equals 8. So we have to replace x by 10 and the y by negative 12. That will be 2 times 10 plus negative 12 equals 8. 2 times 10 is 20. Positive times negative is negative. So it's minus 12 equals 8. 20 minus 12 is 8. As you can see, the left and right are equal. Next equation 2. 2x plus 3y equals negative 16. So again, you have to replace x and y by the values 10 and negative 12 respectively. That will be 2 times 10 plus 3 times negative 12 equals negative 16. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times negative 12 is negative 36 equals negative 16. 20 minus 36 will give us negative 16 equals negative 16. So they are also equal. Therefore, the solution 10, negative 12 is correct. Next, 3x plus 2y equals negative 9 and 4x minus 6y equals 40. Again, we do not have inverses here. We have 3x and 4x that will become 7x and 2y minus 6y is negative 4y. But we can make inverses here by multiplying the first equation by 3. So the first equation will become 9x plus 6y equals a negative 27. That is from 3 times 3x, that is 9x, 3 times 2y, that's positive 6y, and 3 times negative 9, it's negative 27. Then you copy the second equation, 4x minus 6y equals 40. Now we have here the inverses, positive 6 and negative 6. So we can cancel them. And then we solve. 9x and 4x will give us 13x. Negative 27 plus 40 is positive 13. Then we divide both sides by 13. X is equal to 1. That is from 13 divided by 13, which is equal to 1. Next, we substitute the value of x to either equation 1 or equation 2. So let us use equation 1. 3x plus 2y equals negative 9. So we have to replace the x by 1. That will become 3 times 1 equals 2y equals negative 9. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2y equals negative 9. And then subtract 3 from both sides. You can cancel the positive and negative 3. And then bring down 2y equals negative 9 minus 3 is equal to negative 12. Divide both sides by 2. The result is negative 6. Negative 6 is from negative 12 divided by 2. Remember, negative divided by positive is negative. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Therefore, the solution is 1, negative 6. For the checking, 3x plus 2y equals negative 9, you have to replace x by 1 and y by negative 6. That will be 3 times 1 plus 2 times negative 6 equals negative 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12 equals 9. 3 minus 12 is negative 9 equals negative 9. They are equal. Next equation, 4x minus 6y equals 40. So again, replace x and y by the values 1 and negative 6 respectively. That will be 4 times 1 minus 6 times negative 6 equals 40. 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36 equals 40. 4 plus 36 is 40 equals 40. They are equal. Therefore, the solution 1, negative 6 is correct. Last example, Negative 3x plus 4y equals negative 11 and 2x minus 5y equals 5. Again, we do not have inverses here, but we can make our inverses if we're going to multiply the first equation by 2. So the first equation will become negative 6x plus 8y equals negative 22. That is from 2 times negative 3x, it's negative 6x. 2 times 4y, that is positive 8y. And 2 times negative 11, that's negative 22. And then for the second equation, we multiply it by 3. 3 times 2x, 3 times negative 5y, and 3 times 5. The answer will be 6x minus 15y equals 15. Now we have the inverses and we can cancel them. Then we solve. 8y and negative 15y is negative 7y, negative 22 and 15 or positive 15 is negative 7. Then we divide both sides by negative 7. Y is equal to 1. Next, we substitute the value of y to our equation 1 or equation 2. Let us use equation 1. Negative 3x plus 4y equals negative 11. So as you can see, we have here the y that will be replaced by 1. That will be negative 3x plus 4 times 1 equals negative 11. The answer is negative 3x plus 4 equals negative 11. And then we subtract 4 from both sides. We cancel the positive and negative 4. The result will be negative 3x equals negative 15. So negative 15 is from negative 11 and negative 4. Then we divide both sides by negative 3. So we have negative 3 divided by negative 3, that's positive 1x equals 5. Because we have negative 15 divided by negative 3. So the solution is 5, 1. For the checking, negative 3x plus 4y equals negative 11. Let us replace x and y by the values 5 and 1 respectively. So that will be negative 3 times 5 plus 4 times 1. Is that equal to negative 11? Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. 4 times 1 is 4. Is that equal to negative 11? Negative 15 plus 4 is negative 11 equals negative 11. So they are equal. Next, 2x minus 5y equals 5. Again, replace x and y by the values 5 and 1. That will be 2 times 5 minus 5 times 1 equals 5. Are they equal? So we have 2 times 5, that will become 10, and then negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 equals 5. So they are equal. Therefore, the solution 5, 1 is correct. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Please like, subscribe, and share.